Sambhav, thank you for sharing all those details with us. Moving on to some more news that we are tracking. While breaking news coming in, the Madhya Pradesh Medical Teachers Association has called an important meeting on the deaths by cough syrup. The Medical Association has also announced a strike, and the meeting will determine the future course of action. This comes after the arrest of Dr. Praveen Soni. Meanwhile, the government is now working to normalize the situation. In fact, more breaking news coming in at this point in time. The TD